welcome back to Juju's Corner. I hope you are all having a great day because I know I am. And anyways, my grandma got me some super fun baking sets and I wanted to show them to you. First is this Spring Fling Springtime Fun Cookie Press and Frosting Set. This will be super fun to make cookies in the springtime. Next is the Spring Fling Springtime Fun Deluxe Cookie Decorating Set, which will be so much fun to make, and it has everything I need inside. So this will be super fun. And lastly, but not least, is the Spring Fling in Bloom Baking Set, which is actually the one we will be using today. It has super cute silicone molds to make super cute cakes. Anyways, let's unbox it. It looks so cute. So, it looks like there is a flower. It even comes with a super cute baking thing. Thingamajigger. OMG. And even butterfly cupcake molds. That'll be fun. These are so cute. They're little tiny flowers. I love these. Then it has some instructions and another baking tool. Alright, now I'm going to go wash all of my supplies and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I'm back and this is my cake mix. You can use any kind, but I'm going to be using Funfetti because you can't really go wrong with vanilla and sprinkles. It's one of my faves. So I've read the back of the box and it says to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I already did that. So next for the ingredients, you're going to need 3 eggs brought down to room temperature. Then I'll need half a cup of vegetable oil and 1 cup of water. You will also need a mixing bowl and a beater. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my cake mix into my bowl, but I'm doing mine with some scissors so I don't make a huge mess. I've done that before. Trust me, it's not fun. I'm so excited. It looks so good already. Okay, next I'm going to be putting my eggs in. Alright, next I'm going to be putting my vegetable oil in. Ooh, it smells good. And lastly, my water. Alright, now we're gonna mix it. Alright, so we're all blended up and I've asked my mom for help because if I were to do this, I'd probably make a mess. Plus the bowl is very heavy. So I'm just letting the professional do it. She's using a little measuring cup to put it in the mold. We are doing a cake and some cake bites. So I think that'll be super yummy. We put the silicone molds onto a baking sheet. That way you give it more stability when taking it to the oven. And I think we might have filled up the cake bites a little too much, so they might be a little bit puffy, but they'll still be good. Anyways, into the oven we go. And now we wait. I'm getting ready for cheer, but the cake bites are finished. And I was definitely right. They're a little bit puffy, but my mom has inverted them onto this cooling rack so they can start cooling. I'm about to taste this. So the flower is done now, and it is so cute. But I don't want to leave it just like this. I want to decorate it with icing. And in order to do that, you have to let it cool. So while I'm at cheer, it's going to do just that. And then when I get back, I'll ice it and I'll show you the finished results. I'm back from cheer and my cake is fully cooled now. I think that was plenty of time, 4.5 hours. But I just have this Betty Crocker rich and creamy icing. I love this kind. And we are just going to make sure it is all mixed up. That way it goes on the cake like butter. All right, now I'm going to take the lid off. It smells like heaven. I'm just going to take some and put it on. All right, guys, so my cake is all ice. It looks so good. Even though it doesn't really look like a flower anymore, I'm still excited to eat it. This looks delicious. This looks yummy. Let's take a bite. It's so good, y'all. That's delicious. Anyways, until next time on Juju's Corner.